Hello everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how you calculate when the price has been increased by a percentage or a number has been increased by a percentage. Let's say there's a particular number and then they say 20% of the people were more, so meaning that number was increased by 20%. So you use a formula. So the formula is whatever number they've given you multiplied by 100 plus the percentage that they've given you divided by 100. So when you look at this 100 divided by 100, it's actually a 1. So we have a 1 and then we are adding that percentage there. So if you can memorize this formula, you'll get answers right all the time. I'm going to use an example to explain how this formula works. Our example says Tabang buys and sells t-shirts. He buys the t-shirts at a cost of 50 rands. He sells them at a profit of 75%. What is his selling price? So they want the price of the profit and the original amount. So we're going to use this formula to calculate that. We're going to start with writing the formula. So the selling price, we write the formula is the number multiplied by 100 plus the percentage that they've given you divided by 100. So the number or the amount of the t-shirts is 50 rands. And then it's multiplied by 100 comes with a formula. So the formula is 100 plus percentage. Let's look at the question. They said the profit percentage is 75%. So you don't have to write 100 plus 75. You can just write 175. You have actually added this 100 plus the percentage from the question. And then you divide that by 100. Then you take your calculator, you punch it. Let's do that. So it is 50 multiplied by, if you're using the short display, you have a fraction bracket, 175 divided by 100. So your answer is 87 rand 50 cents. So it means if he bought them for 50 rand, he's going to sell them for 87 rand 50 cents. This is one way you might get a question in an exam, but sometimes they will give you this amount, the amount that has profit already. And then they say to you, calculate what was the original amount. Let's look at that question. Now with this one, reversing percentage increase, it's still percentage increase. They've originally increased the amount with a particular percentage. But instead of asking you how much will it cost after the increase, they're actually giving you the amount when the increase is there already. And then they're asking you the original amount. So when you have that kind of a question, your formula that you're going to use, it's similar to the other one. It's the number multiplied by. You remember with the percentage increase, it was 100 plus percentage. With this one is 100 and then the denominator is 100 plus percentage. Then it will take the amount to the original amount before the percentage was added. So let's look at an example. And they say Vusi sells coffee mugs at 75% profit. If he sells the mugs for 21 rand 75 cents each, what did he buy them for? So this 21 rand 75 cents, it's already added the 45% of his profit. That's what when somebody goes to the shop and buy it for. So now they want the original price that he bought, the cost price, the one that he bought before he added the 45%. So cost price is the amount of the item before the profit is equals to the amount or the number. So the number here is 21 rand 75 cents multiplied by, the formula says 100 divided by 100 plus the percentage. So the percentage is 45. 100 plus 45 is 145. And then you take your calculator, 21 rand 75 cents multiplied by 100 divided by 145 is equals to 15 rands. So it means originally he bought the mugs for 15 rand and then he added the 45% and then the mugs with 21 rand. So this is how you reverse the increase. You really need to read the question properly and see what do they want. Are they asking you the selling price? Are they asking you the cost price? In our next video, we're going to do a video where it's percentage decrease, where actually the item, like for example in a sale, the item the price will decrease to a particular percentage. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done so.